chaos. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sounds like hops, cos, hos, and was. I will keep you Susie busy. Make your head with heat grow dizzy. Teary eye, your dress will tear. So shall I, oh hear my prayer. Just compare heart, bird, and herd, dice and diet, lord and word, sword and sword, Britain and Britain, mind the letter how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as plague and ague, but be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low, script, receipt, show, point and toe. Hear me say, devoid of trickery, daughter, laughter, and terpsichore, typhoid, measles, topsails, isles, exiles, similes, and reviles, scala, vica, and cigar, sola, mica, wa, and fa, one, anemone, balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel, Gertrude, Treman, wind and mind, sin, melpomene, mankind. Below does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and wood. Viscous, viscount, load and broad, toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve, friend and fiend, alive and live. Ivy, privy, famous, clamor, and enamor, rhyme with armor. River, rival, tomb, bomb, comb, doll and roll, and psalm and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor. Soul, but foul, hunt, but aunt, font, front, want, grant, and grant. Shoes, goes, does. Now first say finger, and then singer, jinger, linger. Reel, zeal, move, goes, gauge, and gauge. Marriage, foliage, marriage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like bury. Dosed, lost, post, undoth, cloth, loth. Job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the differences seem little, we say actual but vital. Refer does not rhyme with defer, before does, and cipher, heifer. Mint, pint, sonnet, and sedate. Dull, bull, and George ate late. Scenic, Arabic, Pacific. Science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library, have, and heaven. Rachel, ache, mustache, 11. We say hollowed, but allowed. People, leopard, toad, but vowed. Mark the differences, moreover, between mover, cover, clover. Leeches, breeches, wise, precise. Chalice, but police on lies. Camel, constable, and stable. Principal, disciple, label. Petal, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, black, promise, pal. Warm and storm, chase, chaos, chair. Senator, spectator, mayor. Two, but all, and soccer full. Guess, alas, and unconcerned. See idea, Korea area. Sam, Maria, but malaria. Youth, south, southern, cleanse and clean. Doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian. dandelion, and battalion. Solly with ally, yeah, yeah, I, way, and key. Say ever, but ever, fever, neither leisure's cane deceiver, heron, granary, canary, crevice, and device, and error. Phrase but preface not efface, phlegm phlegmatic as glass bass. Large but target, gene, give, virgin, oath, out, joust, and score, scourging. Ear but earn and wear and tear, do not rhyme with here but er. Seven is right, but so is even. Hyphen, roughen, nephew, Stephen, monkey, donkey, tuck, and jerk. Ask, grasp, wasp, and cock, and walk. Pronunciation, think of psyche, is appealing, stout, and spiky. Won't it make you lose your wits? Written growths and saying grits. It's a dark abyss or tunnel, strewn with stones, toads, solace, gunnel, Slington and eyes of white, housewife verdict and indict. Finally, which rhymes with enough? Though, throw, plow, or dough, or cough. Hiccough has the sound of cough. My advice is give it up. By Dr. Gerald Nolt, Trinity.